Did you know that you can use your Samsung Galaxy One UI on an iPhone? Yes, you heard that right. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use your One UI 6.1 on your iPhone. Let's get started. So first off, you have to go to Safari browser on your iPhone and you have to search for Try Galaxy. When you search for Try Galaxy, the website appears and you have to click on the first link of that website. Now it will ask you to share this page to the home screen. Once you share this page to the home screen, it will create a shortcut on the home screen. Now what you have to do is you have to just click on the shortcut and voila, you can see that your iPhone can now run Samsung's One UI OS. This is a brief introduction of the Samsung's One UI OS. I mean, it won't flash your iPhone completely off your iOS operating system, but it's good that you can feel the One UI experience on your iPhone and see how it turns up if in some other world iPhone would have used Samsung's operating system. So that's pretty much it, and hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be posting content like this soon. So thank you very much for watching. Peace out.